What's up, guys? Today I'm going to review this metal machines racetrack. This is a what you call it? Construction destruction metals machines garage. This is a racetrack, and it does a complete loop. You can see here, it has a complete loop, and it has an included motorized booster. Now I was supposed to buy a Hot Wheels version of a complete set of complete track, but I couldn't find one. They were sold separately, and this one only cost 1,000 pesos. That's minus the discount. It's supposed to be 1,700, and now it's only 1,000 pesos. So it comes with a booster, 2 cars, and let's take a look what's inside. By the way, this metal machines track from Zuru is compatible with your Hot Wheels track. I've tested it. You might probably need to modify a little bit of your track, but if you do it without any modifications, it will do as well. Yeah, so here is the metals machine construction destruction complete track. The box art is really good, and let's check out what's inside here. By the way, this has been opened already in store. First, so first we've got these blue tracks. You can see here it doesn't have a hole, and a half circle cut here like Hot Wheels tracks, but I promise you it will work. It is compatible with Hot Wheels tracks. I'll show you later. So it comes with these tracks here, couple of blue tracks, and it has these curved tracks here. It has this crane-like structure that can add as an obstacle to your track. So if a car jumps over it, you can press part here that will expel an object and hit the track. Hit the car. So yeah, I'll get first all other parts of the track. So it comes with 2 cars. This one here, I think this is the Spectre. It is plastic base. Metal base. Wow, metal base and plastic body. Pretty cool car here. Same size as Hot Wheels. And this one too, Justice. Just correct me if I mistakenly named the car, because I forgot which is which. This one though is plastic base, plastic body. And here's the booster. It is a single speed booster. It only accepts, how do you open this one? These types of batteries. I think these are D batteries, D type batteries, just like Hot Wheels, and then single speed. Pretty cool. Now let us assemble. And by the way, here's what I meant when I said these are compatible with Hot Wheels tracks. They have the same width. You can see same shape, except for these part here. The Hot Wheels has a half circle cut and a hole in this part, while Metal Machines tracks don't have a cut here and don't have a hole, but these Hot Wheels connectors can be used to connect the tracks. Now it may not be perfect here, as you can see, but I promise you the cars will run smoothly. So let us try this one out, so you guys will believe me. See that? It runs smoothly. See? But if you want, you can just cut some part here to make it more visually appealing. But yeah, it runs smoothly. So let us assemble the whole thing now. Yeah, so finally we have finished assembling the whole thing. Again, Metal Machine Construction Destruction Racetrack. We'll still make a few more adjustments before this track will be perfect. Well, not really perfect, but it will be really good. Show them, Nico. Hey. Whoa, okay. Let's try it with Hot Wheels. Wow. Oh. Woo. Hey. Ready, set, go. Done. Ah, that was good. Hey, why did you stop? Oh. 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 This is the ball. Whoa! Hot Wheels cars work, right, Nico? Yeah? Whoa! Let's try this. Your custom Datsun. Hey! Woo! Woo! Yeah! That's a Hot Wheel. Let's try this. Hey! Try that. Oh! What? Go again. Oh. Ah! Whoa! Niga, is that a really fun track? Yeah. And it's compatible with Hot Wheels too. Yeah, bye bye everyone. See you soon. Bye bye. Subscribe. We'll make more out of this track. See you soon guys. Peace out.